Hi everyone, this is Amit, and in this video I'll be showing you how to defer or how to pay in installment whatever the demand orders are being issued by the tax officer. So let's say you have got demand of 1 lakh rupees, but you are not in the condition to pay 1 lakh rupees in one shot. So what you can do, you can come to GST portal and you can file the application where you can ask the officer to allow to make the payment in installment or to defer the payment. So what you have to do, you have to come to GST portal, you have to navigate to services, user services, and then my applications, and then you have to select the type of application, that is application for deferred payment or payment in installment, and then you have to click on new application button. So as soon as you click on new application button, system will be asking you the payment details against which you have to defer or you have to pay in installment. So you can just use the demand ID and you can punch it here and you can click on search button. So as soon as you click on search button, the tax period will be auto populated, as you can see on the screen. I have entered the demand ID and I got the complete details of the demand. That is like somewhere around 1,08,797 rupees, and even the tax period. So what I can do, I can select the one of the option from the two options. That is, it can be monthly installment or it can be deferred payment. So let's say I have to make the payment in monthly installment. So I'll be going with this option. So as soon as I select this option, system will be asking you how many number of months, like you have to make payment in how many months. So you can just randomly enter the values on the basis of your condition. It can be 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 10 months, or 12 months. So for me it's like 10 months, so I'll be entering 10 months and I will click on calculate. So as soon as I click on calculate, the system will be giving the exact installment details what I have to pay every month. So as you can see on the screen, the tax is around 9,880 and penalty 1,000. So total it is 10,880 for 1 month. No need of doing manual calculation and all. So, and let's say if you want to defer the payment, then you have to add the due date, you have to enter the uploading supporting documents, and these the mandatory things. And one important thing is, while filing this application, you have to enter the exact reason. What is the reason why you are deferring the payment or why you want to make it in like installment? So that reason has to be entered properly so that the officer can understand and then he can approve it. As soon as you enter the reason, you can just select the verification tab, you can select the authorized signatory, the place, and then you can check the preview whatever you have filed, that is DRC20. So as you can see on the screen, complete details has been shown on the screen, starting from GST and period and the amount what you have entered, and then you have to click on submit button. So as soon as you click on submit button, you have two options. It can be DSC or EVC. If you select EVC, then you have to enter the OTP and then you have to click on submit button. So then you can see like ARN got generated and you will be getting the information message that your form has been successfully signed by EVC. And if you want to check this application, you can just navigate to my applications. So let's say if you want to download this acknowledgement receipt, you can just click on download button. After submitting the application, let's say if you want to check the installment calendar, like how much amount has to be paid, how much, what is the due date of the payment. So you can just navigate to services, payments, and then you can click on installment calendar. There you can see like when you enter the demand order and you can click on submit button. It may be the case like taxpayer has got multiple demand orders, so system has given the provision to enter the particular demand ID and then click on submit, so that system can understand, yeah, we are seeking the information for the particular demand. So as soon as you click on that, the system will be showing you what are the outstanding demand value and what are the expected monthly installment, as you can see on the screen. And then even you can see the calendar, like monthly, on monthly basis how much you have to pay. Like we have selected 10 months, so the system has generated the complete installment, and even system has created the calendar, which is very good functionality, which we can see on the portal. Like for the November it's pending, So you can just click on that option and you can make the payment. That's it. And for the future months also, you can see whether what amount has to be paid and what is expected. So in this way, this is very simple way by which you can create the the application for making the payment in installment or for the deferring the payment, and you can check the complete details in the calendar. That's it, guys. So please like the video if it was fruitful, and do subscribe the channel for the latest GST updates, and all the questions coming via comments will be entertained. Thank you, guys.